Hi guys, welcome to another Watch Me Work. In this video I'm just trying out some press-on nails for a couple of clients have asked for press-on nails. So in true fashion I like to check that they work before I offer them out to my clients. So it's just a really simple design, just really so that I can get the tips on my nails and check how they wear and that kind of thing. So I just wanted to do a really simple stamping, taping little design just so that I could test them on myself. So this here I'm just using Mystic Nails Rosy Twinkle. It's a lovely shiny glittery pink gel polish, really nice and thick and creamy. This actually sparkles like Billy-O in the sun. It's absolutely beautiful. I love a nice sparkle when the sun comes out to play, and this really does play on the sunshine. It's gorgeous. So I've just put a couple of layers on there, leaving a bit of negative space for my stamping design to go into. Now the white that I'm going to use behind the stamping is White Wedding from Mystic Nails. This is a nice off-white kind of colour. It's not a bright stark white, it's a nice soft white. So just pop a couple of layers of that onto that negative space area just to make the stamping pop. Now the stamping plate that I'm going to use is this one from Mystic Nails, number 5. It's got a nice little daisy design to it, so I thought that would be quite nice with the pink sparkle. So again, just popping some Matte and Go onto the nail just so that there's no sticky residue left to get caught up with the stamping. What tends to happen if there's any sort of sticky residue left on there, and the stamp just kind of slips and slides all over the place and you don't get a great payoff. So just wanted to make sure that my polish was going to stick. So just neatening up the edges where I don't want that stamping to be. Want to take it off my nice shiny pink. And then comes the tape. Now this is you're either a friend or a foe to nail tape. It either works or it doesn't. It can be a little bit of a bind. And this is just some tape that I picked up from this is gelish tape, I believe. So nice and easy, just pop it on there. Not so easy on a human finger. It tends to slip and slide all over the place on a human finger, but on a tip it works quite well. Now if I were just to leave that and top coat with the Joker Shine on a human, or whether you're using the press-on nails, then the tape tends to poke up through the top coat. So I'm just putting a layer of Flexi Builder base over that just to make sure that the tape behaves itself and stays in place. Only needs a thin coat, and then we go in and top coat afterwards. Just taking any sharp edges off, and then using my favourite Joker Shine. So there we go, in the lamp it goes, and then we're sorted with the design then. So as I say, it's not going to set the world on fire, it's just a simple little pink set to try out as press-on nails. So here I've attached 4 of the nails. And what I want to just check with these press-on nails is using some protectors underneath. Now I'm a bit of a stickler when it comes to using anything that's going to cause any sort of nail damage. So I just wanted to test the Take Two, it's not a wrap, underneath press-on nails. These work perfectly when you're wanting to practice on yourself and you just want to peel the nails off. But I just wanted to see if they also helped protect the natural nail from the glue. So I'm just attaching the protector forms now. And again, I think about these a couple of years back. I can't remember the lady that I bought them from, but I know Katie Barnes has got packs of these on her website. So if you want to practice on yourself or try this yourself, then by all means go and have a look at Katie's site. So once I've got the wrap on, then I just want to pop some glue down on top of the wrap. Always place your glue on the finger rather than the tip, and then you're ensuring that you've got a good coverage of glue all over your finger bed then, your nail plate, sorry. And there we go, all attached. So I've got them on now. We shall see how we go with them and if it's something that I want to offer out to clients. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.